Well, hello there and welcome. My name's Paul. This is my scene. This is my reaction to Buffy the Vampire Slayer Season 1, Episode 9. Yeah, 9. The Puppet Show. Now, I loved the retro feel of the last one. Yeah, it was dated, but I love that kind of thing. It's nostalgic, and it makes me smile because it reminds me of things back then. Oh God, I'm getting old. Now, I don't think there was a lot important in it to do with overall plot arcs or anything like that, but it was just an enjoyable episode for me. Apart from maybe Xander seemed to be a bit stronger as a person, as a character, which is a good development. I'm glad to see that happening. So let's push on with this one, the Puppet Show. Oh, Kermit's gone feral. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's jump in.
Giles, into every generation is born one who must run the annual talentless show. You cannot escape your destiny.
If you had a shred of decency, you would have participated, or at least
discount X Factor.
Helped.
Not
Nah,
X Factor.
I think I'll take on your traditional role.
Got Talent.
And mock.
And laugh.
Nah.
Okay.
Not Got Talent, probably.
I
Not
think
Got
maybe
Talent.
we better leave our Mr. Giles to this business he calls show.
You need to integrate into this school, people. I think I just found 3 eager new participants for the talent show.
What?
No.
Please?
I've been watching you 3. Always getting into one scrape, right? I know the 3 of you will come up with a wonderful act for the school to watch. And mock. And laugh.
How much notice have they got, though? Oh, I love Giles' smug face. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Morgan.
Hi, Morgan.
And I'm Sid.
Oh dear. Wow. He's never going to compete with Silo Totte.
Kid, you are the worst. Even I can see your lips move.
Dummy's possessed.
Come on, Sid. You're spoiling my act. I worked on these jokes for weeks.
You call those jokes? My jockey shorts are made out of better material. And they're edible.
Big improvement. A bit concerning, though. I'm figuring this dummy's going to be a danger.
Is anybody there?
Starting about. No. Just leave. Run away.
I will be flesh.
I will be flesh. Pinocchio. Is that where we're going? Yeah. So we've got like a ventriloquist dummy that wants to be real. I'm watching Once Upon a Time as well, and Pinocchio's in that, so I wouldn't have expected to see him in this.
You've got to keep an eye on the bad element. Like those 3.
In the earth.
They're the good element.
Kids. I don't like them.
Why did you
From
become
now
a
on, you're going to see
teacher?
a very different Sunnydale High. A tight ship. Clean, orderly, and quiet.
Okay.
Vampire?
I think not.
Giles, share what happened.
Chucky.
Her heart was removed.
Chucky.
Yikes. Does that mean
Pinocchio.
anything to you? Besides,
There are various demons which feed off human hearts, but
but demons have claws and teeth.
They got no use for a big old knife.
Yeah. Once again, Buffy's looking fine.
Right now, you and me gotta be on the lookout. Figure out who's gonna be next.
How are we supposed to...
Who's the next victim?
Hi.
So you didn't notice anything weird at... Morgan, are you okay?
Apart from the dummy talking?
Look, sweetheart, he answered your question. Now leave him alone.
Okay, Morgan, how about talking to me yourself now?
Buffy, you watch Morgan. Check his locker. See if there's anything there.
Like a heart?
Or something.
All right.
I'll pull up his locker numbers.
Oh. Be said then. Any evidence? Whoop.
Principal Snyder,
What are you doing?
looking for something.
School hours are over. You, therefore, should be gone.
And I'm going any minute now.
Empty.
He must have taken it and just forgotten to tell me.
What's he done with the heart?
Get along home now. It's late.
No, I can't do it.
It's the only way.
I don't want...
She's the one.
Kill Buffy.
But
You saw what she did, how strong she is.
I know, but...
She's the last. Just this one more, and I'll be free.
Jesus Christ. It's in the room.
Are you sure you didn't have a nightmare?
No, there's some... There is... Yeah. You're probably right. I'm sorry I got you up.
My song is about dignity and human feelings and personal hygiene or something. Anyway, it's sappy. And no one is going to be feeling sappy after all that rock and roll.
It's true, actually, if she was any good.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Your hair,
There's something wrong with my hair? Oh my God.
Sandra was right. It worked like a charm.
Where did you get that?
Oh, I took it out of Mrs. Jackson's cupboard. I thought you said you wanted to be able to speak to Morgan alone, and, well, Morgan's alone, and,
I like
sits
it.
with me.
Good initiatives, Andy.
Hi, Buffy. Hi, Willow. Would you like to hear some off-color jokes?
I
No.
really don't think you should be doing that.
He's not real.
Oh, he's going to be pissed
I
off.
think our demonstration proves that, Sid is wood. Now, why don't you go find Morgan and prove he's...
Sid's going to kick your
whatever he
ass.
is.
I imagine he's looking for his puppet.
I'm not sure how safe it is for a girl like yourself to be here alone.
I'm beginning to wonder
I was just leaving.
how safe
And I
people
know how
are
to take care of myself.
around him. Is he a demon?
All right, then.
He just seems to pop up out of nowhere. Well. Oh, shit.
What is it?
He's gone. Sid's gone.
What? Oh!
Okay. He just ran away, not attacked Xander. Okay. I thought he would, but attack Xander, I mean. Ooh.
Morgan.
Okay. It is Morgan, but
Demon's got himself a brain.
killed Morgan. Got a heart, got a brain. What's it want off of her? Or just maybe kill her because she's an inconvenience. Whoa!
You lost.
and now you'll never be human.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, neither will you.
What?
What? This
was
is what I do.
something
I
weird.
hunt demons.
What he was
Yeah,
saying.
you wouldn't know it to look at me. Let's just say there was me, there was a really mean demon, there was a curse, and the next thing I know, I'm not me anymore.
So
But I
he's a
did it
demon hunter.
Because you thought I was the demon.
Who can blame me for thinking? Look at you. You're strong, athletic, limber, nubile.
So who's
There
the
were 7
demon?
of these guys. I've killed 6. If I can get the last one, the curse will be lifted and I'll be
Snyder.
free. I'm sure it's someone in that stupid talent show.
Yeah, but now the demon has what he wants, he'll be moving on.
So once we
Snyder.
know who's missing from the show,
We'll know who our demon is. So, you kill the demon, and the curse is lifted, right?
that's the drill.
You don't actually turn into a prince, do you? I mean, your body,
Is dust and bones. When I say free,
you mean dead.
don't get sniffly on me, sis.
Oh,
I've lived
okay.
a lot longer than most demon hunters. Or slayers, for that matter.
Look at this. In case of emergency, contact Dr. Dale Liggett, California Institute of Neurosurgery, Cancer Ward.
Brain cancer?
That's why I had all the headaches.
This means that whatever's out there still needs a healthy, intelligent brain.
Brain's
In other words,
useless.
I'm safe.
And it's going to be looking for the smartest person around.
Willow?
What?
Right. So it probably is one of them. And Giles doesn't know it. He's with them all right now.
Giles can handle himself. I mean, he is really smart.
Shouldn't it be aimed at my neck?
No.
This guy.
No, this way, your scalp gets sliced off, and your brains just come pouring out.
Okay, it's him.
Exactly the trick.
Trick?
Mark?
Somebody save him. Yeah. Oh, no. Good save, Xander.
How do you lock this thing?
Kill demon nerve. Right.
What's happening? I found you!
Yeah, there he is. I found you. Whoop. I'll do it.
What are you doing?
He's dead.
It's not enough. He'll come back. You have to get the heart, then all of this will be over.
Okay.
Let me.
I got it. Thanks.
Killed himself.
It's over.
Yep. And the show begins. Won't be that then.
O ruler of my country, Oedipus, you see our company around the altar, and I, the priest of Zeus.
Ha ha. They prophesied that I should kill my father, but he is dead and hidden deep in the soil. Madness and
More
and
wooden than the
stabbing pain
puppet.
oh memory of ill
No
deeds I
memory
have
of
done.
lines. Come on. Oh dear. Well, that'll be that then. I've never seen a post-credits scene before in this. I normally switch off as soon as the screen goes black because it's just in case there's next time spoilers or something. But that was quicker than I was. Okay, so that was the puppet show. That was good. I like that. There was a lot. Well, talk about twists and turns and me being wrong again about many things. So the puppet wasn't the demon after all. He was a good guy. And then I thought that Snyder was the demon. And it wasn't him either. It was a magician. I thought the cast were good in this. Once again, Xander, stronger and stronger. This is very, very promising for the future. Willow was funny, I thought, especially that bit at the end. And let's say Giles' line to Cordelia about your hair, that was just absolutely brilliant. Love it. How to make a vain person stop going on about what they're going on about. Point out something about their appearance and all of a sudden, oh no. I did very much enjoy this. I thought that the twists were fantastic. And they seemed to be, they were set up in such a way that I think it was impossible to see them coming. And I loved the whole thing that the focus was initially on Sid's the demon, and then just the way they made the episode, the way they produced it, made me believe that then it must have been Snyder, or at least I thought he might have been another demon. Maybe he is. Find out in good time. Anyway, my mind's racing, so I'm going to leave it here. So, you know the script. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you fancy. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.